Hey everyone out there, this is Richard here with Tech is Simple, here to show you how to move everything over easily from one iPhone to the other using iCloud. So first of all, we're going to look here. I'm going to show you on my old phone. There's a few settings you're going to want to have set up ahead of time to make sure the transfer is easy. So on the newer iOS versions, you can just, everything up here is your Apple ID information. I'm going to tap that, come down to iCloud here. And this is what you're going to want to see. So your photos, you're going to want those on, specifically iCloud photos there at the top. Don't worry about the rest of the settings right now. Coming down, you're going to want to make sure obviously your contacts, your calendar, messages maybe for you are all backed up. The key now is we're going to take a look under where it says iCloud backup. So we're going to tap on that. You're going to want to see when your last backup was. If it only has a time next to it, that means it's the same day, so you're most likely going to be good. If you want to be sure, you can always tap, as long as you're connected to your Wi-Fi, you can see the icon up there, you can just hit backup now. And that'll make sure that anything you did during the day will get backed up as well. For now though, we're going to go ahead and move over to the new phone. So maybe you got one for the holidays, maybe you got one for launch, who knows? But we're going to get your new phone set up. So we're going to come in, we're going to pick our language right here. I am in the United States, so we're going to hit that. If you're on iOS 11 or higher, it'll give you the option for newer devices to help you over. However, we're going to do it manually just to make sure we cover all of our bases. So we're going to hit Set Up Manually down here at the bottom. It's going to ask you if you want to set up some of your options. This is an older model that I just have lying around, so it's asking for our Touch ID. For your iPhone 10 series devices, it'll ask if you want to do your facial recognition. So you can go ahead and set that up. I highly recommend it, but we're going to skip over all of this for now because I'm not actually going to use this phone. So under Create a Passcode, we're going to hit Passcode Options and don't use a passcode. All right, so now's the big thing. So we're going to hit Restore from iCloud Backup. So we're going to get our email typed in here. And then I'm going to take this and put my password in real quick. Super secret password. All right. And then you're just going to hit next once you have your information put in. It's going to take a second to update. You're going to have your normal Apple terms and conditions. So go ahead and sell your soul to Steve Jobs' ghost. And once it gets done with this, it's going to show us a few things on this screen. Now I only am going to have the one main backup at the top, but it will have previous backups and backups from other devices. So say if you have an iPad or something like that. So I'm going to do the most recent one. Tap that there. You're going to have other settings that you want to bring over. I highly recommend doing this because it'll bring things like Wi-Fi passwords, etc. We'll go ahead and set up Siri later in settings. However, I really like personal assistance. We're going to have a few other questions as well. Well, it's getting me wanting me to download the newest software. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Now here's the nice thing. Once this process starts, it's going to be automatic. It's just going to download this. I've confirmed the download, and that's it. Everything's going to be on the new phone, and now all my contacts, all of my pictures from the old device will come over to here as well. So hope that's pretty simple for you there. If you need to rewatch any of the parts or pause at any point, feel free to do so. And as always, remember, tech is simple.